Hey there guys, this is TEEJ here, or TJ, whichever one you wish to choose. They all work, pick your poison. Today we have Stray Kids, Thunderous. Now my thoughts going in before this, just from the title itself, I feel like it has something to do with, sort of like S-Class, you know, like their S-Class, God's Menu, they're cooking shit up. I feel like Thunderous is like, we're stirring shit up, we are the sound, you know, things like that. I'm assuming, probably wrong, but let's dive into it to find out. Yeah. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Subtitle. Alright, we're gonna start over. I thought that was gonna be animated the whole time. That was slick. I like that. So we're gonna turn the volume up too. For some reason it's just not. Oh. It's because I have the volume turned down. That would be why. Alright. Animation slick. That was slick. Shangpin choose my own path. Just came to mind, but it's kind of like a nice, I think, maybe it's because their voices stack well together. I don't know.
Sorry, I'm dirty.
I need to know what this means. I guess it's like a sound effect.
Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick tick tick?
Oh, that was vibey. 군들이 왔어요. 날이면 날마다 오는 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요. 원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해. Final warning 당장 back up press up set up break up 하나는 내 배치 퇴퇴퇴 소리꾼. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with that. That means it's like, it's the word of like a sound effect. I mean, that would make sense after singing the line Thunderous, yeah? When it got like really like move your body, this is like a nice soft vibe type flow going on. I think it was Hyunjin that started that off. That was nice. That's still in my head, I'm not gonna lie. Even though we've kept up with the rest of the song, that's still in my head. I love those parts.
dirty.
Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules.
All right, Stray Kids all around the world. Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules. But I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. All right. We're doing things. We show up, show out. We do it our way. We don't fall in line with the rest of the, do I want to say sheep? I'm not sure. We're outside the fence. I like that. That's a nice message. That's something that I wouldn't, I guess I would have to be like in the ends of like the industry to be thinking that way and for it to actually like be truthful, such as what they're talking about. I do gotta say, I like the way, I don't know if they write the majority and then title it, or if they title it, they're like, yo, Thunderous. And I was like, yo, that's fucking dope. And then they start writing from their own thoughts, experiences, but whatever they do to that word. Because I've noticed their titles are really closely correlated with what's going on in the song. Whereas other songs, they might, I mean, they stay on track, but it may go off trail for a second, then like find its way back, blah, blah, blah. But even their chorus is just, everything is always a reflection of the title. God's Menu, S-Class. Alright, we're gonna go back just to listen to this one part. That was so fucking vibey, bro. Alright.
Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules. 그래 다 들었어 소리 이것저것 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 말아.
Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick?
I don't bang 중 얼레리 멋있는 척들이 양진 발끝 조찬도 따라오지 못한 여기는 팬들 들어봐 질투가 전부 한쪽으로 지워놓고 버려 기대감 악든 물이 뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 던져 소문난 군대의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛은 freezing cold but I know we'll burn forever.
We're about to just watch the whole thing all over again. That's crazy. I like that. I just had the thought that the way they switch their flow and like the vocals and everything that come in like one after another, it's sort of like their editing. It's just really nice transitions, but it's always just boom, like, oh, that's visually like pleasing. Whereas their vocals, it's soft and then hype, and then one just pops in there like a jump scare. Then they take off with that, and then the rap comes in. It's just, but you don't think of it as like, hey, everything's all over the place. Like, it's just so many different sounds. It's just, it's nice. It's nice. Why have I not thought that before? Not sure. Anyway, awesome music video. Stray Kids Thunderous. Awesome song. I will say this is, I'll put this like right there with Megaverse for me in my Stray Kids mental ranking. Whatever the hell I have going on up here. I'd say I vibe out to it just as much as Megaverse. Whereas Megaverse, I would vibe out to the chorus a little bit more. Whereas this, I'd vibe out to the verses more so. So it's like they switch on and off. It's, yeah. That's a good ranking for me. I think yeah, that sounds about right. Anyway, that's all for me. Let me know in the comments what you think about the music video, what you think about the song itself, anything that stuck out, anything that I missed as well. That's always something.
I'm gonna leave it there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.